In 2008, under the leadership of the Rotary Club of Inverness, many clubs in Alabama's Rotary International, District 6860, partnered with Children's Hospital of Alabama to raise funds for the Critical Care Transport Team. The Critical Care Transport Team of Children's originated in 1983 to meet the specific needs for transporting critically ill and injured children. Each year, over 1,000 critically ill and injured children are transported either by jet, helicopter, or ambulance to Children's of Alabama. Since 2008, the partnership has brought clubs into district leadership-endorsed projects that span across the Rotary Clubs of North Alabama. In fact, the Critical Care Ground Transport Unit and the flight suits are branded with our District 6860 logo. Our co-branding with Children's of Alabama has opened up opportunities for us to improve the health of children, increase Rotary visibility in the child mortality arena, and communicate Rotary service above self. To date, we have raised over $300,000. I encourage each club in our District 6860 to continue being a part of this exciting local and important partnership.
I'm here to tell you about a fantastic fundraising event called Boiling and Bragging. We know we all live in a state that's crazy for college football. Boiling and Bragging is a preseason tailgate party that's organized by Rotary clubs in District 6860 to raise money for critical care transport at Children's of Alabama. Boiling and Bragging takes place in mid-August each year in front of Odie's Tavern in Crestline Village in Mountain Brook. This is a family-friendly event that has grown dramatically since its inception. The first Boiling and Bragging was in 2009, and we had about 30 people in attendance and raised $1,200. In 2013, we had over 800 people in attendance and raised more than $63,000. Boiling and Bragging now ranks among the top 5 fundraising events each year for Children's of Alabama. In the last 5 years, Rotary clubs in District 6860 have raised over $300,000 for critical care transport. Boiling and Bragging has accounted for over $135,000 of that amount. Boiling and Bragging creates a game day atmosphere where everyone is encouraged to wear their favorite team colors. Traditional tailgate foods are served, including a low-country shrimp boil, jambalaya, and favorites from the grill such as hamburgers, hot dogs, and sausage. The event has kids' activities, and we even have a cornhole tournament organized by the Alabama Cornhole Association. No one can argue with the merits of raising money for Children's of Alabama, but how does this event benefit Rotary? In a word, publicity. Boiling and Bragging receives more media coverage than any other Rotary-related event in the state of Alabama, period. Thanks to the PR efforts of Children's of Alabama's marketing department, Boiling and Bragging is written up in multiple print and online media, including AL.com, Over the Mountain Journal, and About Town magazine. It's promoted on radio in Birmingham, and there are multiple live interviews on Birmingham TV stations that involve representatives of both Children's of Alabama and Rotary District 6860. This year, Charter Communications became a corporate sponsor and produced and aired the commercial that you'll see here.
Join us this Saturday for the 5th annual Boiling and Bragging football season kickoff party 6 to 9 at Odie's in Crestline Village. Show your spirit by supporting your team and Children's of Alabama Critical Care Transport. Over 1,000 critically ill and injured children in Alabama are transported by Children's every year, and 100% of the proceeds from this event goes to Children's. Kids activities, entertainment, sports trivia, great food and drinks, hosted by participating clubs of Rotary District 6860.
The commercial you just saw was aired over 2,200 times and reached over 374,000 households in North and Central Alabama. And why is publicity important? Membership. All Rotary clubs struggle with membership. We as Rotarians do not get enough opportunities to make the public aware of the things we do in service to our communities. Rotary District 6860's association with Children's of Alabama promotes Rotary as a service organization throughout the district. The great majority of Rotary clubs in District 6860 have contributed to the district's fundraising efforts over the last 5 years. On behalf of Children's of Alabama, thank you. In 2013, 10 different Rotary clubs participated in Boiling and Bragging by providing either financial support or volunteers to work the event. In all, we had over 40 Rotary volunteers from District 6860 at this year's event. We absolutely could not have done it without them. Several of the clubs in District 6860 have also become sponsors of the event. In some cases, they did this by channeling funds through Boiling and Bragging that they had planned to contribute to Children's anyway. The difference is, by becoming a sponsor, those clubs also receive publicity for their support. And let's not forget why we're doing this in the first place. It costs $2 million per day to operate Children's of Alabama. It costs over $300,000 a month to operate the Critical Care Transport Unit. What we do as Rotarians is very important. We encourage your club to continue to support Critical Care Transport. We also invite your club to join us in helping Boiling and Bragging continue to increase its financial support for Children's of Alabama and its promotion of Rotary as an organization that truly makes a difference in our community and our state. If your club plans to make a financial contribution to Children's of Alabama in the coming year, please consider becoming a sponsor of Boiling and Bragging. Every penny of your contribution goes to Critical Care Transport, but your club will receive publicity for being a sponsor. Remember, your club's support and participation in Boiling and Bragging not only helps Children's of Alabama, but it also helps to promote Rotary throughout our communities. For more information, including photos and a list of this year's sponsors, please visit our website at www.boilingandbragging.org. Thank you.